VitalAxis provides practice users easy access to all their patient reports, as well as the status of the samples as they move through the laboratory. In this video, we will see how to place an order, how to track the status of the samples, how to access finalized reports, and how to search for information. Placing an order. To place an order to your lab, follow these steps. Click the Orders tab. Click the New Requisition icon. A new blank electronic requisition screen will open up. Fill in all the required details. All mandatory fields have a red asterisk to ensure that pertinent information is supplied when necessary. This reduces the number of missing information recovery process cases that the laboratory receives, most of which result in a phone call back to the ordering facility to obtain the missing information. You can pull in all the patient information by using the patient lookup feature. This feature utilizes the ADT bridge between VitalAxis and your ADT system to pull up all the relevant information about the patient, like the demographics and the insurance information. If an ADT bridge does not exist, you will need to key in the patient demographics and insurance information. Other clinical data, if applicable, may be entered in the supplemental information section. Once done, click Save to save your progress and stay on the page. Click Save and Close to save your progress and go back to the Orders screen. Click Return to discard all the changes and return to the Orders screen. Click Save and proceed to Site Information to save the demographics information and proceed to filling the specimen location information and any additional tests request. In the Site Information screen, select the sites in each jar. Add the tests if required. At this stage, if you wish to make any changes to the patient demographics, click the Back button to go back to the previous page. Else, if done, click Save to save your progress and stay on the page. Click Save and Close to save your progress and go back to the Orders screen. Click Return to discard all the changes and return to the Orders screen. You can print your filled out requisition by clicking the Print Requisition button. You can manually print out the jar labels for each jar, which will contain the 1D or 2D barcode, the patient name, specimen location, and physician information. You will need to have Vital Desktop, the printing solution by VitalAxis, to print labels. Please talk to your laboratory to get one installed at your practice. Finally, click Order to place the order to your laboratory. In the Orders page, you can see all the orders which have been placed by your facility. You can bulk print requisitions or print jar labels from here as well. Cases which have been filled out but not yet ordered may be accessed in the requisition section. Tracking status of samples. You can track the progress of all the samples in the Cases screen. You can search a specific case by using the quick search box by entering any of the known information. If you want to search using a wide variety of parameters, head to the Global Search section. Here, you can enter multiple parameters at a time, like the case number and the physician name, or access more parameters by clicking the More link. Click the Search button to get the results. Accessing reports. Once a case is signed out, the report is available under the Finalized tab in the main menu. The Finalized list page has its own set of action buttons, which are Distribution Completes, By selecting the desired cases and clicking this button, the user can manually make an entry in the system that the report distribution on the case is completed. This will create an entry in the case audit. However, no actual distribution takes place. Print. You can select multiple cases and click this icon to get a compilation of all the reports in a PDF format. To view an individual patient report, click the PDF icon. Please refer to the VitalAxis product manual for more detailed information on the practice workflow.